Hey everyone, my name is Mike. I'm one of the co-owners here at the Game Table. Just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself, introduce our business, and explain what we're building here. A little bit about me. I've always loved board games, tabletop games, RPGs, TCGs, things of that nature. And the whole experience of getting the group around the table, hanging out, having fun. And at some point thought, what if we turn this into something more? Not just selling games, but creating a space where everybody can come in and build a community around playing games. The Game Table is a board game TCG RPG business based on here in Northern California. Right now we are operating as an online-only store, shopthegametable.com, but our long-term goal is to open up a brick and mortar. A place where people can come in, play, discover new games, learn to play new games, and become part of the crew, if you will. I should mention that I'm not the only one in on this. My wife and a couple business partners are in on it as well. They're obviously just not on camera at the moment, but they are just as involved as I am. We're starting this YouTube channel to document our journey, honestly. That means sharing some of the exciting things like getting our first distributor, new inventory, maybe even some of the challenges we see. Well, not maybe, definitely some of the challenges we see. The learning curve, the mistakes we make along the way. Some of the things you can expect to see with this channel is board game and TCG unboxings, behind the scenes of running an online store, gaming business, our distributor experiences, getting our first distributor, convention prep, vendor events as well, and eventually the shopping around for space for our physical store. I'm still getting used to being on camera, as I'm sure you can tell. But if you are interested in board games, small businesses, or just like seeing how things are built from the ground up, if you want to support the journey, feel free to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what kind of stuff you'd like to see, what kind of games, or recommend games to us so we know. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video, and welcome to the Game Table.